Tire pressure warning light on in an Audi A4. This is a 2015 model, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that now. Okay, so the first thing you do is with the ignition on, so we have pushed and the ignition is already on. You come over to the infotainment section, select the different buttons that you want. In this case, I'll be clicking the car button. When you click the car button, you'll be brought with this screen, and what you want to do from there is select car systems. So I'll be pressing that. It brings it into this section. So you scroll across servicing and checks, select that, and then at the top you can see the tire pressure monitoring. So if all of the 4 tires have been checked and adjusted correctly, please store. So if there was an issue, you have to have it done before this. Make sure you check your tire pressures, have no loss of pressure or puncture, etc. Once you have that done, store tire pressures. Yes, store now. Okay, stored. And as you can see, the light is now off, and that is how you do it. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.